Hilda's kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oye diban papo, oye good food. Hilda's kitchen, good food. Hilda's kitchen, oye diban papo. Hilda's kitchen, good food made in a clean environment.
Very soft. Okay, I'm adding my frozen veg. Nowadays is a brand new. I'm cutting off the stress. Yeah. So just adding it. That's why, because frozen veg also contains their own water. Yes. So as you can see, from baby. Condona guy, this is perfectly for parties. Veggies in it, and I say, busy papa. Yes, the veg in the mala. Oh, yes, ban papa. Say, busy ban papa. Oh, yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food. Made in a clean environment. Oh, yeah, I'm so made in a clean environment. I'm cooking and still everywhere is still nice and clear. I'm going to use some of these Vustel or Vudi products here from Hilda's Kitchen. Man, I'm trying wherever you are in the UK. This is chicken and turkey mixed together. It's so affordable, 250 grams. Toby, no ye. Only been a matrix trying to come. Nanda Saturday, me full. This is two in the matrix channel. Why be bread? It's a from our I better say fried rice or veggie rice. It's ready to go. Don't stress yourself. Buy from Hilda's Kitchen or Rokodo. One tip: kindly don't add too much salt. As you know, sausages sometimes can be a bit. For me, I don't like salt, so for me it's too salty. But sausages contain salt. The soy sauce contains salt, so be careful the amount of salt you always put when you are cooking this kind of food. Or rokodo, as in why I condemn to in a beer in busy. Papa, maybe you. Pretend as if you are making condensed milk coffee. You can see how scrambled they are at in a pot. Wow. As some do, the matter contains fire. Now I'm going to add this. So this, how do you see situation as knife? How do you actually say this? Some oil coffee, not too oily. Yeah. Baby, I'm for rough. Veggie rice with sausage. Baby. Call it stress-free fried rice, stress-free veggie rice. Baby. As some night is seriously beautiful. Or record. Mom bonji do it. Yeah.